Good morning everyone. So yesterday we have started our chapter The Dream Catcher. So we have read that BFG is catching the dreams and Sophia was the girl who was standing there and she was helping the BFG. Yes, and yesterday they were catching, yesterday we have read that they were catching all the golden dreams. So he is very excited to catch all the dreams from the mist. So we'll be continuing from there, and he asked her to stand like starfish. Then don't, the BFG answered sharply. Once again he stood up tall in the mist, holding his net at the ready. Then came the long silence and waiting, and the listening, and at last, with surprising suddenness, came to leap and the swish of the net. Another jar, he cried. Quick, quick, quick! When the second dream was safely in the jar and the top was screwed down, the BFG held it to his ear. Oh no! He cried. Oh mines, my maggots! Oh, swipe my swaglets! What is the matter? Sophia asked. It's a toggly humper, he shouted. His voice was filled with fury and anguish. So, when he has got the second dream and he has kept it in the jar, he asked for the jar and he has kept it in the jar and he screwed the jar top. And he said that now, what he has done, he has kept his ear to that jar. When he kept his ear to the jar, he said, oh no, the BFG started crying. He said that, oh God, it's a very nightmare, it's a very scared dream which he has got for the second time. So she is asking, hey, what is the matter? Sophia is asking, what is the matter? Why are you crying? Then he is saying that this is a toggly humper. He shouted like anything, means it is a nightmare, means it is a horror dream which makes the one scared to be seen. Oh, save our souls, he cried. Deliver us from vessels. The devil is dancing on my dibblers. What are you talking about? Sophia said. The BFG was getting more distressed every moment. Oh, bash my eyeballs, he cried, waving the jar in the air. I came all this way to get lovely golden dreams. And what is I catching? What are you catching? Sophia said. I is catching a fight some toggly humpers, he cried. This is a bad dream. It is worse than a bad dream. It is a nightmare. Oh dear Sophia, said. What will you do with that? Then here, as he has caught the nightmare, he is very upset, he is becoming very ferocious, and he is saying that in every moment he is becoming very scared about the moment. Then he is fighting with that jar to leave it in the air. Then Sophia is asking, hey, what are you doing? What you will do with this? He is saying that this is not a bad dream. It's a very bad and dangerous dream which we cannot give to anyone. That's why it will be a scared one. That's why I am going. So Sophia is asking, hey, what will you do with this dream? I is never letting it go, the BFG cried. If I do, then some little toddlers will be having the most cold-blooding time. This one is a real kicky bog temper, is exploding it as soon as I get home. Nightmares are horrible, Sophia said. I had one once and I woke up sweating all over. Then he said that he is crying, he is catching that jar and is crying like anything. And the little toddlers will have the most, and when they will be getting this, then they will be very scared. Then Sophia said that once when she was sleeping, she got a nightmare. She was very scared and she got up and she was totally sweating like anything when she got up by seeing the nightmare. With this one, you would be waking up, screaming all over. The BFG said, this one would make your teeth stand on end. If this one get into you, your blood would be freezing to icicles and your skin would go creeping across the floor. He is saying that if this drink will be given to you, then your blood will be, your teeth will be standing like an end. They will be frozen and you will be frozen like an ice, and you will be rolling you will be creeping like anything in the floor if this drink will be given to you. Is it as bad as that? Then she was asking, this is such a bad dream. It is a verse, cried the BFG. This is a real Wormsley grog switcher. You said it is a totally humper, Sophia told him. Then she is saying that you said that it is a totally humper. When it's a bad dream, then he is saying that no, it's a more worse than a bad dream. It is a very horror dream. If it will be given to someone, they will be very scared and they will be frozen to ice. So till today the time is over. We will be doing this, and the next will be given in the session number 3. Thank you everyone.